For me, the site visits are particularly important as opposed to bringing someone on campus as a guest speaker. There's so much you can learn about a corporate culture, the organization, just physically being in their work environment. It also really allows the employees, in this case the marketing team at EA Sports, to bring in a variety of people that maybe can't come to campus, but they also have better access to their tools, and it simply is a lot easier for them to be able to share with students what exactly it's like to actually work in that environment and the things that they do.
The goal of bringing students to EA Sports was to introduce them to a potential employer. We know we have an awesome gaming, free gaming industry program here on campus, and we just want to make sure that they're connected to the right employers after graduation. The main cohort that went was digital arts students. That's who we really tried to target with this event. However, we did have a large amount of computer science students that also went because of their specialization. And then we had a small group of just marketing students who went specifically to speak to the marketing department at EA.
During our site visit to Electronic Arts Sport in Orlando, we first attended introductory session where the representative of software development team talked more about the company's future plans, goals, workplace culture, some past projects. And after this, we were divided into several groups based on our interest. I, as a member of marketing club, had an opportunity to listen to marketing team presented their fast release game. The presentation was inspiring to talk about some challenges they had, achievements they've done, and then we had an opportunity of plenty of time to talk to workers, network, learn about internships, at the same time ask more about the industry, and really it showed how workplace culture is essential.